celebrating Senior Day at ICC. आपको एक रूल जरूर याद रखना पड़ेगा जब यहाँ कोई बोल रहा है तो वहाँ प्लीज. Today we are celebrating Senior Day at ICC. All 50 states of America celebrate annual National Senior Health and Fitness Day. The common goal for the day is to keep older Americans healthy and fit. This day is always set for the last Wednesday in May. National Senior Health and Fitness Day is the largest annual health promotion event for older adults. There are 3 simple ingredients of good health. They are diet, exercise, and sleep. Another very important factor to keep healthy is to commit to a cause greater than oneself. Give to a cause to serve others. The great scientist Albert Einstein has said it more simply. Only a life lived for others is worthwhile. There is an immense pleasure in looking to the needs of others. In Indian culture, older people are respected for their wisdom. They provide and remain part of the family. This is good for seniors as well as their children. ICC becomes an important part of their lives too. Here they meet other seniors like themselves and have their own social circle. It is very important for seniors to maintain their own identity and have a support system of their peers. And ICC Senior Program provides that. At ICC, we call ourselves young seniors. The age for seniors is considered to be 65. But looking at our people here, Jamadil people, I think this race should be, the limit should be raised to maybe 75 or even more.
Maybe 90.
Okay, so we will send our recommendation to the county who tells us to celebrate this. आज खुशियों का दिन है, कोई बधाई देगा, निकला है चांद सबको दिखाई देगा. ICC आने वाले भाई बहनों, रोज इसी तरह आते रहना क्योंकि रोज नया आनंद दिखाई देगा. Enjoy the period of your life with lots of fun, laughter, and self-awareness like never before, because ये जिंदगी न मिलेगी दोबारा. कल की कोई बुनियाद नहीं है और आने वाला कल सिर्फ सपने में ही है. अब बच गए इस पल में तमन्नाओं से भर इस जिंदगी में हम सिर्फ भाग रहे हैं. कुछ रफ्तार धीमी करो और जिंदगी को जियो, खूब जियो. तो अब देखते हैं हम कैसे हम अपनी ज़िंदगी जी रहे हैं यहाँ ICC में. तो आपके सामने आ रहे हैं अभी चाचा चक्र और उनका डांस देखिए और उनके बाद भारती और प्रकाश जी आप तैयार.